Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. I just got a package from SHEIN. This is the last package which I order summer clothing, and I will stop for a while. I will shopping again next summer. I normally shopping SHEIN as usual, and clip they are cute. I ordered 2 of them. This one I returned because it is broken, as you see, and this one I keep it for my prop because it is a little bit bigger than my hair. I have thin and fine hair. It's cute. I just use it for showing in the content. And also wide legs pants. I order too big size this time. Only 2 fit me well. I keep them. Another 2 I return. One I post for sale because SHEIN doesn't accept as they offer very cheap price. Bye.